What is up, beautiful babes? Welcome back in to the channel. If you are one of my returning subscribers, one of my returning beautiful babes, but if you're new to the channel, welcome. I am Sweet Angel. I'm so happy that you're here. Listen, I just want to start off by saying, y'all, I'm a girl, a woman, a very seasoned woman, as a matter of fact, who has loved doing DIYs for a long time. My mom did them, her mom did them, and that's all they knew, okay? But listen, I have just picked up that same trait. So I am not a medical professional. I'm just a DIY girl. But if you are into that, then you've come to the right place, because today, y'all, let me tell you something. You know how you look in the mirror and sometimes you see those fine lines smiling back at you, smiling back at you like they pay rent. Please, girl, I'm tired of them, and I know you are tired of them too. And I know one other thing you may be tired of is that you've been paying a lot of money on expensive creams that promise the world but deliver nothing but disappointment. Yeah, I've been there. And sometimes I still venture into that realm. But let me tell you, I love researching and I love digging. And baby, if I told you your wrinkle eraser could very well be sitting in your pantry right now, what would you think? Let's talk about it today. And I'm going to show you how to whip up something that you might just be replacing all of that crap you bought with this. Let's get to it. Now, the beauty industry loves to overcomplicate everything. Fancy bottles, big words, and price tags. And they actually make your eyebrows raise higher than your credit score. Okay, but good skin doesn't have to be expensive, y'all. It doesn't have to be expensive to be effective. Come here, let me tell you something. Your secret to smoother skin, more youthful looking skin, is literally coffee. Yes, coffee and honey. These are two everyday ingredients that team up like a power couple. Coffee is loaded with antioxidants, those little warriors that protect your skin from looking tired and worn out. The natural caffeine in coffee helps temporarily tighten and wake up the skin so it looks more refreshed. Honey is a natural humectant. Translation, it draws moisture into your skin and keeps it there. And when your skin is hydrated, it looks smoother, it looks plumper, and those fine lines look much less noticeable. Put them together, you just created a glow-boosting, line-softening, skin-loving cocktail right in your kitchen. Now come on into my kitchen and let me show you how to whip this up. It's so easy. There's no stress, there's no fuss. And of course, you already know coffee and honey are two of the ingredients, but let me show you how to whip it up so we'll get into all three of the ingredients. So this is what you'll need. Finely ground coffee, fresh or used and dried. You'll take 1 tablespoon of the finely ground coffee. We'll then be taking raw honey. And don't worry, I will have everything listed and linked in the description box once this video goes live. Just 1 tablespoon of raw honey. And then the third ingredient is 1 to 2 teaspoons of water or milk. This is just to adjust the consistency to make sure it's just right, okay? Now, we're whipping this up, and while I'm mixing it, let me just tell you the benefits of the coffee. It's going to help the skin look energized, smooth, and temporarily tighter. The honey deeply hydrates, softens fine lines, and adds that natural glow. And the milk, if you use milk, it helps in softening and soothing dry or dull skin. Now, if you don't have the milk, the coffee and honey are just perfect, okay? But if you have the third ingredient, pop it in there. Pop it in there. So we've mixed them together into a smooth paste, and now it's time to apply it all over the face, your clean face. Don't get it near the eyes. And then you're going to leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes and let the magic do its thing. Y'all, you're going to be amazed. After the time is up, rinse using gentle circular motions. That tiny bit of coffee gives your skin a soft exfoliation. Follow with your favorite moisturizer to lock everything in. Now this mask, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week, and that's going to give you the best results. Now make sure you're staying hydrated. Please protect your skin from the sun. Sunscreen is so important, and be consistent. Your skin will thank you with a youthful glow. Now always remember, patch test, patch test, patch test. If your skin is not used to this, please, before you introduce it completely, make sure you do a patch test. And that's it, beautiful babes. Please try this mask if it's something you're interested in, and tell me in the comments how you love it. I know I did. And that's why I brought it to you. Again, if you're new here, I'd love to have you as one of my beautiful babes. Please subscribe for more natural beauty hacks that don't break the bank. Hey, your youthful transformation starts now. I'll see you soon, beautiful babies. Bye.
Walk back in sunshine on your skin like you never even left my mind. I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide, still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried, but looking good ain't good enough. I'm trying to give them better, trying to glow in the rough. And since you're back in town, let's shut it all down. It's Spa Day, baby, let's come back round, yeah. Ooh, girl, I'm so glad you came back around. We gon' soak, scrub, sip, lay our burdens down. 2 queens in the mirror, lifting each other higher. Steam on the windows, soul on fire. Yeah, you said I'm looking good, but I'm trying to look better. And with you by my side, girl, we gon' glow together. Bring the oil, bring the mask, bring the good deep talk. No makeup, no filters, just that real girl walk. Tell me who annoyed you, who you had to block. We'll laugh till we cry, then we'll laugh non-stop. It's been too long, but we pick up so easy. Good souls reconnect like that, believe me. Friendship this strong, girl, it's heaven sent. You came back around, and my heart just bent. Lay your worries down at the side of the tub. Let the bubbles do the work. Feel the sisterly love. We ain't aging, girl, we seasoning fine. Like a vintage bottle on God's own time. Oh, you, girl, I'm so glad you came back around. We gon' soak, scrub, sip, lay our burdens down. 2 queens in a mirror, lifting each other higher. Steam